What's up, guys? BDigi Crypto here. If you like crypto mining, if you like crypto, subscribe to the channel, hit the likes, leave a comment. Today we are going to be doing a little basically dual miner setup on one miner. So basically we are running 4 GPUs on one miner right now, one RTX 3080 or 3 RTX 3060s. We want to run the 3060s on Ravencoin, but keep the 3080 on Ethereum. So let's get to it and show you how to do that. So stick with us. Alright, so you're going to want to log into your Hive OS. Go to the miner that you're going to want to, or wait, hold on, actually, whatever coin you're going to split to. So we're already mining Ethereum on our rig right here. We want to switch some of these GPUs over to Ravencoin. So first we're going to want to create a wallet for Ravencoin. So let's do that first. So we will go to wallets here, add wallet, which coin we're going to be doing Raven, enter your wallet address, enter your wallet name, whatever you want to nickname it or whatever, and there you go. You could save it as a global wallet, and it means if you have multiple farms, it'll be able to be used across those, and you could fetch a wallet balance if the coin is supported. So if you can look through here and basically Raven's not supported, so you can't even fetch the wallet balance. So we're not going to worry about that, and we will go create. So now that we have our wallet created, let's go back to our workers. We will click on our 3060 rig here, and what we are going to do is we will go to flight sheet here, and you're going to click on the 3 dots to edit. And here you go. What you want to do is we currently are running on NB miner. You go set up miner config. So this is our Ethereum mining, all GPUs on this. If you go down to extra config arguments, look here, you can see devices. Now this is how you select which GPU you want to do which coin. So here, now pay attention, because depending on your miner, this is going to be different. You're not always going to have devices with the quotes and then it's spaced this way and so on. The syntax will change, so you want to look that up if it's not going to show you the information here. Even some miners will not classify GPU 1 as 0 like Hive OS does. So sometimes your 0 on Hive OS will actually be 1 on another miner, so you're going to want to pay attention to that as well. So we will set, basically we want only our 3080 running on Ethereum. So we will if you click on that, it'll drop it in here automatically, and then you can edit this. So we want only GPU 1 to be running Ethereum. So then you could click apply changes, and then you click update here. This flight sheet is active. Attached workers. Changes will be applied on the workers using this flight sheet. New flight sheet will be created for this worker and applied only to it. So we want it only to go the workers using this flight sheet. So we will go Actually, let's do create new flat sheet. So now it's configuring. So if we were to go to the overview, in a second it should stop showing hash rates and restart, and then eventually it should only show this 3080 with a hash rate being that one's going to be running Ethereum only. So let's see what it did. So it shut down and it's restarting now. So sit tight here. And there you go. So now only this 3080 is running on Ethereum. So now we are going to want to go back to Flight Sheet, and then we are going to basically edit again, but this time we are going to add miner. So our second coin is going to be Raven coin. We are going to add the wallet that we just made. Pool, we are going to do 2 miners. And now you're going to want to pick the region you're from. US. There we go. They say this high def one is, or high diff is if you're running a lot of hash rate, so we're not going to select that. And then you're going to apply. And then we are going to go with T-Rex miner, being we got NVIDIA cards. And then we are going to go just like the, one up there, setup miner config. Extra config arguments, hover that. Here's your devices again. So we are going to click devices. That drops that in there, except we are going to go 0, not 1, but 2, 3. So that gives us basically all the 3060s onto basically Raven coin, and you're going to go to apply changes and update. And there you go. So let's go back to overview, and we'll erase these real quick because the overclocks are going to be different. So we will eventually change those. Oops. So there you go. And let's refresh this. And there you are. You can now see each 3060 is now running Raven coin. And if you come up here, you can see you got 1 GPU on Ethereum NB miner and T-Rex miner mining Raven coin. You got 3 GPUs, and there you have it. So thanks for watching, guys. That's how you do a couple different coins on one miner. Now you can go and set your overclock settings for your new Raven mining setup and so on. So appreciate it for watching. Leave a comment, hit the like, subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate it, and we will see you guys next time.